Mangoes are among the tastiest fruits, therefore it seems to reason that they are referred to as the royal of all fruits. Mangoes are a great approach to improve your skin conditions because they are packed with numerous necessary nutrients and vitamins. In this article, we examine 10 incredible advantages of eating mangoes for your skin. Certain antioxidants that occur naturally can be found in mango. By lowering skin cell oxidation, these antioxidants can lessen the effects of UV damage on the skin. The vitamins in mango can greatly lessen the damage, despite the fact that it is not a sunscreen. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin C, which also helps to relieve inflammation. Mango drinking on a regular basis acts as an excellent acne repellent since acne on your skin frequently produces irritation. According to a recent study, eating mangoes has advantages for your skin, including fewer wrinkles from sun damage. Mangoes include antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can improve the state of your skin. Look at the fruit's main components that are good for your skin. Vitamin C. It lessens the harm caused by UV rays and wards against free radicals. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, smooths out wrinkles and encourages the formation of collagen, which helps to lighten dark spots on the face. Vitamin B6, because it is water-soluble, this vitamin helps to reduce the oiliness of your skin. Potassium, by keeping the cells wet, this mineral keeps the skin moisturized. Copper, it lightens the skin, keeps it protected from free radicals, and reduces wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Magnesium, due to its anti-inflammatory and redness-reducing effects, the magnesium found in mangoes is beneficial for people with rosacea, acne, or greasy skin. Vitamin K, this element aids in the removal of stretch marks and spider veins from the skin. Vitamin E, it helps a lot to keep the skin moisturized. Your skin needs collagen, a vital protein, to maintain its suppleness and structural integrity. Mangoes include vitamin C, which promotes more collagen production. A vitamin C deficiency can cause scaly skin. Additionally, in such circumstances, wounds heal more slowly. As a result, one of the primary mango benefits for the skin is collagen synthesis. A naturally occurring substance called polyphenol, Mangiferin, which plants can produce, is present in mangoes. The peels, seeds, and kernels of mangoes contain the most of this polyphenol. The mango tree's bark, stalks, and leaves are other tree sections that contain the chemical. Mangiferin has been shown in research to lessen various cancers. This covers breast cancer, skin cancer, colon cancer, and cervix cancer. Adding a good amount of the two vitamins C and D helps to protect your skin from external environmental elements including sun damage, pollution, dust particles, and dryness, among other advantages of eating mango for the skin. Both of these vitamins can be kept in your skin. These vitamins become less abundant when exposed to sunlight or pollution. Your skin may age prematurely if you don't replace its nutrients. Additionally, a lack of vitamin C reduces the body's ability to produce collagen, which results in sagging and wrinkled skin. Concerned about the color of your skin or the distribution of your black spots? If so, you ought to learn more about the skin-friendly properties of mango peel. With this remedy, you can get rid of dark spots and uneven skin. Some mango skin peels are easily dryable in the oven or outside in the sun. You must use a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder to ground them into a powder after they have dried completely. After that, combine this powdered mango peel with rose water and use it as a natural face mask. Mango peel contains citric acid, which balances skin tone and aids in removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it restores the nutritional reserves of the skin, giving it a radiant, healthy glow. Many individuals also use the pulp of the fruit to benefit their skin from the properties of mangoes. Your skin acquires a distinct and organic glow as a result. The fruit's antioxidant content can greatly improve the state of your skin. It cleans the skin pores by removing oil and impurities, and it promotes cellular transformation for collagen production. By achieving naturally radiant skin, you can delay the onset of premature aging.